Today we're going to get the URLs of 100 YouTube videos into Power BI. So we do get data and web. And we paste in a playlist here, the URL to it. Then we click here at the bottom, add table using examples. So this is the playlist here, it's called 100. It has 100 videos. The first two videos are here. So these are the examples. So first column here we put in number. And the first one has a 1 here, so if we key in 1, pick from the list. So that's that one. The next column is topic. So that's the name of the video. So this one, the first one here is called Effect Depository, all in lowercase. So key in E, and you get the list here. And that's the one here. So select that. The next column is channel. That's the YouTube channel that the video is in. So this first one here is in Effect Depository proper case. So it's that one here, that channel here. Then the last column will be the URLs. So the big trick here is we do /W, and that gives us a list of all the videos. I know the code for this one. I'm going to find it here. The first video, so this is it here. Now we're going to fill out the second row. So this is video number 2, so it's 2 on the list here. Pick it there. Topic, so the name of the video. So this is the name here, but if we just put in the 12, we should get it in the list quite quickly. So there it is, the second last one there. So down to it and select that one. That's the topic. The channel, so where's the video in? It's in BI Elite. So BI Elite, so let's select that. And then we do the /W again. And we pick that video. This is the code for the second video. And once we do those two examples, Power BI fills out the rest, all the details for the other videos. So that's, we have 100 now in total. So press OK. Now we want to change something, so we go into Power Query by clicking here on Transform Data. So the first thing we'll do is we'll change the name of the table. So click in here, Control A to select all, and then we're going to call this bids. Now we go over here to the last column, URLs. Now they're not really 100% the URLs we want. What we want is this code in particular out of that with the correct prefix for the URL. So we're going to get that by clicking here, Add Column, and Column from Examples. And it's from selection, the column we've selected. So we have to give examples. So this first one here, we click in here and we do some of the prefix. dot ve forward slash to forward slash, and then we need this code, part of the code here. This is the part we need. So highlight it and copy. Go back in here then and change it. Paste it in there. Now get the next one. That's the second code for the second one. They're all filled out here. Now they're not 100% exactly what we want, but it's almost right in terms of the prefix. But these are all being added in correctly, the code for each one. You see that at the ending part here. We'll just name it here as well. The column is the URL. Press OK then to accept that. And we'll just make a slight change to the code, the M code that was generated there. So here it will be HTTPS : and 2 forward slashes. And press this tick mark then, enter it. So now I'm happy with this URL. It has the correct prefix, and you can see each time it catches the code that we want out of this column here. So see that one there, then next one, and the next one, and all the way down. So at this point we can just delete. We don't need this one anymore, so press delete on that one. So we have our 4 columns, and we're going to go home and close and apply. That's bringing the table now into Power BI. Now we want to make some changes here. If we click over here on the right on number, and column tools comes up, click on that one, and we see summarization. We don't want to summarize the number. It's just the number of the video. And the second thing we do is go down here to the URL column, and the data category for that one is web URL. So we've made that change. Now this is the report here. I've got 3 visuals here. This one here is a table. This is a slicer, and this one here. This is called a word cloud custom visual. I would have brought that in through the 3 dots here and import from the marketplace. So we are going to fill out each of these 3 now. So just click here to select that table, that visual there, and we bring in number and topic and URL. Now we just want to make a formatting change here. So we go to icon in the search, and we just turn on that. It's off at the moment, just turn it on. It just puts in an icon for the URL. Now, can't see those, we just need to narrow this column a little bit. So you can see there's all the URLs and there's the icon for each one. And they're clickable. And we'll do that at the end. So that's that one done, that's that visual. Now we're going to do the slicer. So we click the visual here, and you bring in the the channel. Here are all the different channels where the videos are. And we want to make one change. There. And it's orientation. So it's vertical at the moment. We may change that to horizontal. It looks better there that way. So our last visual here is this one here, the word cloud. And we're going to bring in topic into that one. So I've clicked on it over here, and I'm going to bring in topic. So there are all the words split out here, and the bigger ones are the more popular ones. For example, DAX here. So this is, we can interactive as such. So if we click, for example, here on the Kerbal channel, what videos are in this particular playlist of 100? So click there. You can see there's 4 of these DAX videos. So, and the word cloud, that they're the words that come up for those 4 the words out of here. So if we click that again, Kerbal. Now if we go into focus mode here on the word cloud, and we pick DAX, just click there and back to our report. You can see now that this list is much shorter. It's just the topics or videos that have DAX in their name. All the other ones have been filtered out. So these are the DAX ones being filtered in by the interaction of this visual with the table visual. So we'll just go down here to one of these videos, just see do the links work. So for example here, this is Learn DAX Part 2 by Jeffrey Wang, and we click here on the link here. So there it is, the video come up, Learn DAX Part 2 by Jeffrey Wang.
Thank you everyone for joining today. We will be.
So that's it, thanks very much.